Hello and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Homepoint Mortgage. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box, type in www.homepointfinancial.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site, click the login link at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see this interface. You can use the new portal for login in, or you can also proceed logging in with the old portal. Simply go ahead and make a selection and you'll need your loan number, your primary borrower's last name, your property zip code number in order to log in and access to your account. Go ahead and make your selection, and on the next page, you'll be taken to the sign-in area. In order to log into your Homepoint Mortgage, you'll need to type in your email address followed by the password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create Account and follow the instructions till the end to finish off your account creation process. Once you have an account, you can simply enter your email address in the login area in the first text box. Make sure to enter the correct credentials whenever you are logging in, and on the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Reset Password link beneath the Sign In button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after filling in your email and your password, click on Sign In and you'll be able to log into your Homepoint Mortgage. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.